Okay, we're back. So the harder concept with linking is internal linking. None of this changes. The only thing that changes is how we approach attacking the URL. So, for example, I'm just going to work back here in my control panel. I have three web pages right now. I have index.html, I have this Swiss cheese web page, and then I have this Penguins web page. And I want to link all three together. So I am going to have to do it three different ways for each page, and I'll show you why. Remember our folder structure here. We have things going on in different folders at different locations. So at this very top level one, I can order it to go down any which way and not be a problem. So I'm going to go in here, and there's my little hello world text. Now I'm going to put these in a separate paragraph. If I link it to itself, I'm going to just link it to itself. I don't have to put http://mixeltech.bugslife.com. I don't have to put any of that. All of that up to this point is assumed. All I have to put is index.html in quotations slash, don't slash that, sorry, index.html, and then I'll just type in the text homepage and then close tag it there. I'm going to put a line break in between just to break it up. The next page I want to go to is inside the cheese folder. It's called Swiss. Well, I don't know if this will let me go down there or not. Nope. Okay. Won't let me go down there because I have the editor open, which is fine. Equals, now, to get there from here, where I'm at, I got to go into the cheese folder. So I type cheese first, then a slash, swiss.html. Because I got to go into the cheese folder to get to that particular web page. So I have to follow it where it's located. And then I'll do Swiss cheese /a. I'm going to do another line break. I also have a page under images that is called Penguins. Same principle. href equals, and it's going to be img/penguins.html. I'm going to call that penguins. You can put exclamation points, anything in these text areas, it'll be okay. So I hit save. When I go to the page, I click on it. Swiss cheese, lots of cheese. And I don't have a back button. And there's my penguins page. There's my back button. There it is. If I click on home page, it takes me right back to there. So, I will post the source code with it as well. Let's go put the links on the cheese page now. Swiss. Now, it's going to be a little different. I don't know why I keep doing that. I'm going to separate it here. Now, I want to initially link to the index page. This is a little tricky. I actually have to tell the website to go back up to the top level and find the page I'm looking for. So there's two ways to do that. You'd still do it href equals, then I could type out the entire thing If I remembered how to spell my name, that'd be great. But that is a lot to type over and over and over again. What I can do is instead put 2 periods /index, 2 periods /index.html. That will tell this link to start at the very top of the directory again and then work your way down. Notice, if you will, how there's 2 dots accompanying right beside the home page there. That's a good way to remember that. So I'll prove to you that it works real quick. To hit save, open it up, go to the home page, and we're back to the home page. Pretty cool. Also works when trying to get to the Penguins page. Since we cannot directly link over, because let me show you what happens if, for example, I try to get to the image folder from here. img/penguins.html. I want you to figure out what's wrong with this here in a second. I'm going to show you real quick that it won't work. Yep. Why didn't it work? Because we didn't go back up. It's looking for an image folder inside of here. So for example, I could make this link work by saying there's another folder in here called img. And inside of there, there's a text file, there's an HTML file called penguins. And on that one, I'm just going to type ha 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 ha. And then when I go back up to cheese, and I open it, it's just going to go to the ha 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 page. It doesn't go to where my cute little penguins are. So what do I do to get it there? I just simply go in front, do /img/penguins.html, hit save. And now I'm where my cute little penguins are. So those dots come in and play quite a huge factor in linking web pages together. So the only thing that really changes as far as the structure from external to internal linking is what goes on in the URL section. So remember, you don't need to always type out the whole web page. If you're working from inside your own file directory, you do not have to type out the whole thing. That would just get too long. Let me expand this here. All you need to really worry about is anything past the .com. If you want to refer up, you do the 2 dots and then the slash, and now reset your directory to the very top. And here's the reminder again on how it does it. Just so we can practice it one last time, I'm going to do it to the Penguins page here. I'm going to, you'll learn how to make images links here eventually. I'm going to go down here below this penguin. Do a br/. I'm going to first refer to the home page equals ... index.html to get back to the home page, and the exact same thing for cheese. I'm going to go ... /cheese/swiss.html. Oh, now what am I forgetting with these guys? Forgetting the text and the close link. So, okay. let's say I forget my close tag on that first one. What will happen? Let us find out. Go to penguins. If I click on cheese, it still goes to the home page. But why is that? Home page goes to home page too. I didn't put that close tag here. So therefore, I don't want to rename it. Therefore, that link is still live and anything after it turns into link text. I could have a whole nother paragraph not related to the home page talking about the wonders of cheese. And that link will still be engulfed, or that text I should say, will still be engulfed in that link to the home page. So, you want to make sure you are putting your closing tags in there so that the links do not become engulfed. Your project today is going to be simply building one of these and showing it to me and then turning it in. So getting this set up on your website to where it works. That's your project for today.